Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Yeah, hi Rohit.
Hi प्रीति जी, कैसे हैं आप?
Yeah, fine. Yeah, Rohit, just 1 minute. I have to take a call, please.
Okay.
Yeah, Rohit.
Yeah.
So first, tell me about yourself, Rohit. A little bit of experience. So, and when you started this company, how did you kind of, uh, what was the thinking before started this company, that AI marketing company? So, give me a brief about that.
Uh, First of all, I am from the childhood. I am actually a techie person. I
Huh,
almost spend all my time in computers and video games, all those things,
huh,
building and
huh,
breaking things out,
huh,
right? So when I get into the college, and I thought that in the college, I am kind of wasting my potential. I should start my something on. Then I figured out this AI things, and that me really had up that how much we can do with the help of AI. Everyone getting scared. Even my batchmates are getting scared. Why? How this AI thing can replace their jobs? And I am wondering how much we can do with the AI. And this is the reason why I started this Nexel Pro company. And from then I heavily researching on AI, how can this and how what are the sectors in where
hmm,
AI can improve the business revenues and optimize their operation, automates their operations, all those things.
hmm,
So from
hmm,
there on, I talk to lots of agencies how they are working, how what are the automations or agents they are building for the
hmm.
businesses, and
Yeah.
from those things I sort out a few things that actually impactful. And recently, Harvard also published a case study that 90 to 80% AI agencies fail today because
Hmm,
they don't know where actually AI can bring the revenue or automate their real work.
hmm,
Most of
hmm.
companies just they are just to follow the hype. They are not thinking that actually AI can bring those results or automate their operations in their businesses. They are just
Huh,
thinking, oh, this is the AI. Let's do this thing. Let's automate this thing. But they don't
huh,
think about the outcome, right?
hmm,
So from there, I figure out that there are only two sectors. There are two sectors where only AI
hmm,
were profitable in Harvard Research they published. One is the customer support and the second is the business operations. So
hmm,
I get into the customer support section and figure out what I can do a bigger picture. I can so everyone doing a customer support, but what I can do even better. So where I figure out and starting the Ad plus AI agency,
hmm.
where I will run ads for the agencies, or sorry, clinics, and from there I will AI agents my to convert those elites into patients
Correct.
because
So Rohit, yeah,
every
sorry to.
yeah most
So,
of
okay, let's start with the process. So how will run ads? If I tell you to run Google and Facebook ads, how will you run these ads using AI?
okay I have I will tell you everything how I will the whole process how a lead converted to a patient. First,
Huh.
can you tell me about your clinic? How long you are working? What's your current operations?
See, I started as a corporate trainer. So I had 5 years of experience in corporate training. Then I started my own company, that is Square Root Skin Laser and Hair Transplant Clinic. And then in this clinic, we are actually doing a lot of treatments. It is cosmetological as well as dermatological treatment. If I talk about cosmetology, we are also doing Botox, fillers, skin rejuvenation, and then we are also doing hair transplant, hair regrowth. So all these cosmetological treatments. And we're also looking at basic dermatological treatments like fungal infections, then you have hair loss, then cysts, all these. So coming back to now, so this company has started around 11 years back, right? We have Practo approved clinic, and we've also kind of taken subscription of Practo, MediBuddy, because all clinics take to get appointment from these sources. and and as of now, I'm also running my own ads like Facebook and Google. Though Google is like it's related to budget. If you have a good amount of budget, then you can extract good leads. It's very
Yeah.
difficult to kind of with limited budget. It's very difficult to just, yeah, with limited budget, it's very difficult to get good quality leads. Okay, we were running like Google ads, and in like 7-8 thousand, we just got 3 leads, and that also didn't convert. Okay, so
Yeah.
in terms of Facebook ads, we are running reach out ads. Reach out ads means ki we are visible, right? If anybody is looking for an appointment, probably not today. 5 years, 5 days later, seven, the person will call Square Root Clinic, right? We are also running lead ads. So for us, as a small business, it's like Facebook is a good platform. We get visibility also, and plus leads also. But if given a combination of Google ads and Facebook ads, it's a good mix. Right now, we are not doing SEO because, again, we have invested a
Yeah.
lot of money in SEO. But we are also looking at this GMB, Google My Business. Though we have good reviews, I may say so,
Yeah.
585 reviews, 4.7 stars.
4.7 stars.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, but we are not ranking at the top because again, a lot of what you call optimizations needs to be made. Like you have to keep posting about like a lot of keywords there. Okay, so this one is lacking. So I am looking for an agency like which one focus also GMB, because Google My Business is also very very important, because you will get, because we are a clinic. Okay, we'll get business from nearby. Okay. We are not into products like I can sell my product to Karnataka, to Britain or something like that. Right? So we
Yeah.
will business from nearby areas around up मान के चलो 10 to 15 kilometers. Got it? So my need is, see, I want to create a lead pipeline. Frankly, telling you that right now we are running ads, but we are not getting quality leads. Right. And just to be, how you can help me get more leads around, means 300 leads per month minimum of. Okay. So how can AI, and in terms of if I talk about, because at the end of the day, editing with AI is pretty difficult. Okay. You will not get the exact video. Okay. You need, though AI
Yeah.
has kind of, if I talk about motion graphics, creating absurd images and this videos, AI will create. But in terms of if you give those clinic videos and edit, it will do a decent job, but it will not, because you have to give the prompt every time. And even if I talk about creatives also take, because that prompting is very very important. Okay, that reverse prompt is very important. I'm also working with Claude AI, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is the best start of there in
Yeah, yeah,
terms of
yeah.
enterprise?
Yeah, because I think being in the business, even in the medical business, you need to have that knowledge of all this. Otherwise, you will lag behind. Yeah. So, if I may say so, I want a good, robust this chatbot, right? Because at the end of the day, training needs to be provided, even if you get the lead. Okay, if the chatbot is not trained well, so in two ways you train
Right.
the chatbot. See, I'm not a technical person, but थोड़ा बहुत मेरे को knowledge है. ठीक है?
Yeah. It seems like you have a pretty
हाँ,
good of
हाँ,
knowledge how AI
हाँ,
stuff's working.
हाँ, हाँ. So one is like generative AI, and one is rule based chatbot, right? Two types of chatbot. So because in the medical industry, you can't, the chatbot cannot kind of give answers like this. It may be, suppose if I say, if the somebody asks for Botox, okay, if the chatbot says some absurd thing, you can get Botox after when you're 15. We don't give Botox to 15 years old, right? So this is again a lacuna. The chatbot, even when the chatbot needs to be trained properly, and you have also a voice based assistant, right? Now
Right.
what is happening, Rohit, ki पहले जैसे आप मान के चलो, अगर मैं बात करूं कि अगर एआई बात करता है तो रुक के बात करता है, थोड़ा समझने में टाइम लेता है, ठीक है ना? अब पहले इफ आई स्पीक द एआई विल कॉम्प्रिहेंड अकॉर्डिंग, पर वॉइस टू वॉइस नहीं है कि कैसे, एंड अभी भी एआई कैन नॉट डिटेक्ट इमोशंस। बोलूंगी तो उसको नहीं समझ में आएगा, ठीक है?
Uh, all
हाँ,
those things pretty much solved.
पर
So
अगर if you
I will
have
show you the demo.
agents like that, okay, I would like to kind of work those with agent, because any appointment calls, if the AI is able to handle it, right, and then
Yeah.
if it is not handled by the AI, it can kind of transfer to human, ठीक है ना?
Right.
ये चीज है. Coming back to again, we have a customer this thing CRM, right? And if that CRM is connected to AI, भाई इतने जो लीड है उसको फॉलो अप नहीं हुआ है, इतने लीड हैं जिसपे काम
That's
नहीं
the
हुआ.
biggest issue with your
Yeah,
human
yeah.
research.
I'm telling you, for a business man or woman, this is a pain point. I'm telling you that because I today I was hearing all the calls. It is a pain point because some of the, see what happens if AI can listen to the call, right, and give me at least a what you call input that this call has not been handled well. For example, the AI can detect the tone, मतलब सुस्ती से बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? दूसरी बात, if the what you call, if the person has not been pitched well, ठीक है, suppose if I have taken hydrofacial, so my team will say, how is the treatment, ma'am? You've taken hydrofacial a week before, would you like to try some other treatment, right? Be it a photofacial or something like that. So for any businessman, I'm telling you that listening to each and every call is a pain point. ठीक है, अगर AI मेरे को रिपोर्ट देता है, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू कैन क्रिएट समथिंग लाइक दैट, टुडेज कॉल का ये समरी रहा, ठीक है ना? आपकी टीम
Okay.
से बात किया तो तुरंत आई, बिकॉज आई नीड टू, बिकॉज व्हेन आई एम यूजिंग एआई आई नीड टू सेव माय टाइम. मुझे ये कॉल नहीं ठीक से हुआ, ठीक है, दिस हैज नॉट बीन हैंडल्ड वेल, राइट? तो इतना ये कहाँ पे एआई काम आ सकता है वो मैं बता रही हूँ, ठीक है ना? ये हमारा पेन पॉइंट है. कमिंग बैक टू फॉलो अप्स इज अगेन अ मेजर थिंग, ठीक है? एआई कैन टेल मी कि ये आपका फॉलो, अभी भी राइट, वी आर यूजिंग वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सीआरएम, दैट इज कैलाश सीआरएम, राइट? अभी उसमें भी बहुत लोग, एआई अभी भी इंटीग्रेटेड नहीं है. आई थिंक यूएस में आई थिंक द एजेंटिक आई एआई एंड एवरीथिंग दे हैव डेवलप्ड, ये क्या बोलते हैं उसको, क्लोबॉट, व्हाट इज दैट थिंग?
Yeah.
हाँ,
Club.
हाँ, वो आपका सारा काम करेगा. मतलब क्लोबॉट को अगर बोल दो तो आपके लिए ट्वीट करेगा, आपके लिए सब्जी लाएगा, सब कुछ, राइट? सो
Itself
क्लोबॉट,
a proper a human working on a computer.
करेक्ट
Is
करेक्ट
what
करेक्ट
it.
करेक्ट. सो अभी भी एक्चुअली विद एआई मेन थिंग इज सिक्योरिटी अभी तो, ठीक है?
Yeah.
तो बाकी मेरा है कहना कि कैसे आप अगर एआई से करते हो, ऑन विच थिंग्स आप इम्प्लीमेंट, पहला जो मेन होगा एड्स चलाना, ठीक है? एड्स कैसे ऑप्टिमाइज करोगे आप विद एआई, ठीक है? अच्छा, उसके बाद लीड आती है, ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लीड का क्या टच पॉइंट होगा? कॉल आया तो क्या होगा, व्हाट्सएप आया हो तो क्या होगा, ठीक है? उसके बाद देन ऑटोमेशन, जो भी लीड आई, ठीक है ना, आपने उसको हर हफ्ते क्या भेजा, कैसे उससे इंटरेक्ट किया, हाँ, देन जब तक वो फिर ह्यूमन एजेंट से कनेक्ट करवाया, ठीक है, तब क्लोज हुआ. तो ये पूरा सर्कल है रोहित, एंड इट्स अ बिग सर्कल, ठीक है ना? अब आप बताओ इस सर्कल में हाउ कैन एआई हेल्प मी? आई एम टेलिंग यू द मेन पेन पॉइंट इज दैट, अच्छा, if the AI can, I don't know if the AI can do calling also of the leads. That
It
is
can
with,
do.
हाँ, so that needs to be trained. I'm telling you that उसको ट्रेन करने में 1 महीना लगता है, ठीक है ना? It is
Yeah.
not an easy ball game,
We
ठीक
have
है
to
ना?
tune the model before deploying.
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट, कौन सा मॉडल है, क्या मॉडल है, उसको ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा. एंड बिकॉज people are investing money also in that, because for training and everything you need to invest money. And I don't know कि अभी तक because I have been kind of listening to AI also, पर कुछ कुछ है जो कि एकदम ह्यूमन की तरह बात करते हैं, ठीक है ना.
Yes.
तो वो कैसे डेवलप किया जाए वो मेरे को बताओ. अगेन दिस इज अगेन टेकिंग द बिजनेस टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. सो मैंने आपको बता दिया, दिस इज माय नॉलेज. आप अब मेरे को कैसे हेल्प करोगे वो मेरे को बताओ.
Okay. I the more I speak with the clinic owners, the keep those two problems I always hear from the all the clinics. First is the lead quality, and the second is the follow up. And good news for you, I can cover all those things. And top of that, I will also cover and I will show you the process how the all the pipeline things work. In that also we also cover the Google My Business. I will show you just few more questions, then we can show you the process.
You show na, you Rohit, you show, then I think I'll have more clarity.
Okay, let me
Yeah.
share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. See, this is how we bring high intended patient to your
Hmm.
clinic. Okay, on the autopilot. So you
ठीक.
don't have to interfere with the patients. Everything will be handled by AI agent. If needed,
ठीक.
it can also hand off to a human. Okay?
Hmm.
Right. See, the
What is
program
your
with the
business thing, Rohit? What is, have you created a website?
this is the just presentation I made up for you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. See, the as you told the program with the that patient acquisition, slow follow up, low quality of leads. Okay, and the
Hmm.
high operational cost for the human, you have to do all the follow ups. You have to hire lots of receptions, which itself is a very big operational cost, right?
हाँ.
Okay, so here is a complete automation where how you will be getting your patients. First step, how we will be getting a high intent traffic lead. For example, someone search a best hair transplant in Gurgaon or skin specialist near me, acne treatment, etc., etc.
हाँ.
Okay, we will add run Google Ads for you.
Hmm.
In the next step, once they have completed, they click it on a website, they select the book appointment, and they can also use WhatsApp to interact.
Hmm.
Once they fill up the form, our AI agent call call the leads,
Hmm.
right? Once the booking appointment is confirmed,
Hmm.
AI will ask some questions, provide some details if needed.
हाँ.
Then the detailed appointment comes, and this is the place we charge. Actually, we charge the fee.
Hmm.
And once the appointment booked, that's not here our end of job. We
Hmm.
also send a follow-up reminders. For example, we send a follow-up reminder 24 hours before, 2 hours before. If any one of them cancel their appointment, we will give you full refund. Right?
हाँ.
So if anyone book appointment, I will deduct money. I will charge you money. If anyone before visiting the hour they cancel the appointment, I will
Hmm.
give you the refund. So you don't have to about worry about the no flops.
Hmm.
Okay. And in the next step, once patient visited your clinic, right? I will send a WhatsApp message to those patients they have successfully get a treatment. We send a WhatsApp message saying that hey, you love the treatment. Can you give a 5-star review on our Google Maps? This is the way you will also increasing your high quality reviews,
Hmm.
right? As you said that you also want to perform.
But what happens when the customer goes? Na, we only take the reviews in the clinic. When the customer goes, sometimes the customer gives bad reviews also.
Yeah,
Right?
this is the, yeah, here will be option that only satisfied person receive
Yeah.
review request. Yeah,
Huh.
in the patient they have a, you your receptionist or the service guy from your clinic says,
Huh.
okay, this is the patient have a satisfied with the result, then we will send a review request. So then you don't get any bad reviews on your profile. And all those things will be connected to a dashboard. I will provide a dashboard where you will be seeing all the real-time lead captures, how many appointments will be booked, or what is the swap rate, not swap rate, all your funds tracking, everything will be there. Right. This is the right now our pipeline. And
Hmm.
next, let me share you with the what is the tools we are using to,
Hmm.
right? Okay. Okay, the tools behind your system. What are the tools we will be using to automate the whole process?
Hmm.
First, for the research, here is a Manas AI. I hope you know. Do
Yeah,
you know
that is an
the?
inbuilt tool of Facebook.
Yeah. This is the great AI for the research. It's a totally underrated. If you do anything research, see if I said Claude or Chat GPT to do
Huh.
something research, okay, they
Huh.
will just go on a surface level. What's
Hmm.
available on the website? What's the things that they know about the patient, but it's very hard for them to go visit their Twitter profile or LinkedIn profile or
Hmm.
whatever the social media, Instagram, Facebook they have, where they can't go. For the managed AI, they can easily switch on their own computer and go visit their Insta profile, their Facebook, and can bring a really good insight about your patients, right? Or for the Google Keyword Planner, and we also using a Gemini data research because Google is such a huge data source. They have a huge collection of the website on data. They are the
Hmm.
best in they are the best in the market in terms of research. So
Hmm.
we are using those three platforms to
Hmm.
perform the to find out the best trending keywords, high converting keywords, high intent keywords, right?
Hmm.
This is the first step, ad research. Those are the tools we will be using for the research on the ads.
Hmm.
And the second part, landing page. As uh, I think the main reason, one of the biggest reason you are not getting a qualified list or not getting enough leads from Google Ads because of your website. Frankly speaking, your website is look pretty bad for the conversion. To convert a lead, you need a proper landing page. For if you are
But
running
we
an
are
ad
not.
for
We are not for Facebook ad. We are not looking at the website. Okay, we are just running ads
yeah,
on videos.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So for the Google Ads, if you are running a skin treatment campaign, so you need a dedicated page where you show before and after images of the skin treatment, your doctors or their experience, and your clinics or review, so that the whenever patient visit your, he will say exactly what he needed to see. Right. This is the importance of landing page. So to develop the landing page, we will be using two softwares. First, Google Stitch. It's a Google software to design the landing pages for your website. And
Hmm.
Google's integrative, this is the development software that we will be
Hmm.
using to develop your website. Once we design the whole website using Google Stitch, then we'll connect all the design to Google Anti-Gravity, where we
Hmm.
will be develop all your website, all your landing pages, right?
Hmm.
Second, the agentic ad. Here, I will be providing three types of agentic ad. First, the WhatsApp AI agent. This will be connected to your WhatsApp address. Whatever the query or requested come through that touch point. For example, I send all the leads to WhatsApp. The agent automatically capture all the messages, generate a response on the based on their training data, all the data I will be provided from the external sources. It will respond back to the patient. Once
Mm.
patient is satisfied the result, it also booked all the data from the your sorry, if patient uh, book appointment, right? Then it
Mm.
will automatically book appointment into your calendar. It will
Yeah.
all those three agents will be also connected to your CRM. For
Mm.
example, you have to send a follow-up. You will able to from your dashboard, right? I will show you. I will say that you get a dashboard. From there, you will all the data will be pulled out from your CRM, populate on your dashboard, and you
Mm.
just connect your WhatsApp agent or voice agent to send a follow-back, and it will non-stop send all the calls, follow-backs to all your existing patients. So for the WhatsApp agent, second is the voice agent. I will provide you three voice agents. Okay.
Mm.
To develop the voice agent, we will be using Vapi or Light. Those are the great platform to build voice agent. For the brain, we will be using OpenAI, or for the speech translation, 11 apps. 11 slash, if you know that 11 apps version 3, that's get a really breakthrough. That he also understands the human emotions. If one some said really excited, they, oh great, that's a great news. It will automatically detect it's a highly energetic tone. It's a really interesting. Okay,
Mm.
so it will be best. Right now, 11 lakhs is the best for the creating a speech. And the last, website chatbot. If anyone comes to your website, they can also chat with inside the website. I think you have already seen that there are already some websites that have inbuilt chatbots in their website. You can just go and chat with the agent, right?
Mm.
For that, we will be using OpenAI's Agent SDK. It's a chatbot where we will be building
Mm.
top of the OpenAI's agent SDK. It will be all those three agents available 24/7. Right?
Mm.
They don't need a vacation. They don't work only 9 to 5 hours. They work non-stop.
Mm.
For the image generation, we will be using Nano Banana 2. It's the best out of the market. If anyone comes better, better after the Nano Banana, we will switch on this. But right now, Nano Banana is best in the market.
Mm.
For the video generation, we will be using Google's VO3. Right?
This will not work, Rohit. Frankly telling that all
Yeah,
these AI
right.
videos doesn't work for us, right?
That's why, right.
We you need to kind of use
It,
our images and our videos, clinic videos for this. Okay, we are not into product market, right? That you can. We
Yeah,
are not.
you are totally right. That's why I'm starting with the Google Ads. I know very well that's a video generation, image generation is not there that we can use in a protection environment. That's
Mm.
why we are not running right now Facebook ads. When we will be feel confident enough that okay, right, this is the breakthrough. This is the time where we can use the our AI generated video or images in our in production environment. Then we will
Mm.
be starting into the meta ads. For
Mm.
now, we are just focused on the Google ads. Google ads is the best place for the local clinics
Mm.
because you will be always getting a very high intent list.
Mm.
And here is the dashboard for JS or Superbase. For the
Mm.
database of for the front end, we will be using Nest.js.
What is this? Next.js
Next.js is a framework if
for website.
we
That what?
yeah for the website development for the
Okay.
dashboard.
Okay.
All your dashboard will be using. We develop your dashboard using Nest.js framework, and for the database, you will be using Superbase.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, so in total. We will provide you 9 plus AI agents, 3 voice agents, and one dashboard for everything to connect. From the dashboard, you can control all the agents or voice agents.
Hmm.
Here is a complete system. First, we will do research, build, engage, visualize. Then, in the dashboard, you can.
Hmm.
Uh, Till now, I have shared lots of things. Let me summarize for you what I offer for you. What
Hmm.
my offer. Let me give a quick summary. Here is it. Here is your complete offer. First, for the AI agents, you will get 3 voice agents, 1 WhatsApp agent, and a website chatbot. For the asset build, we will be custom landing page. We will be renting custom landing page, or if needed, we will be using AI generated. Hello.
Rohit, I want to listen to the bot that you have kind of made, right? Agent, right? Have you made any
Just,
agent?
just a second. Sorry. Can
I
you
want to
repeat, please?
talk and interact with that agent.
Yes, I have a demo. You can talk with the agent.
Yeah, yeah, please. I want a demo for all this. How is the landing page? Show me the landing page that you've created with AI.
Uh, I just drafted. It's not a fully place working. Let me. I have just
Yeah,
a
share
few drafts.
everything. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let me share with you the draft. Yeah, this is the stitch. Okay, this is
Huh.
the Google stitch platform. Here I just this one on the draft. Once we sign the agreement, we can draft a fully
Hmm.
landing pages. Okay,
Hmm.
this one on the
Hmm.
draft. This one is the just a home page.
Hmm.
Right. Here you are the patient. You will be showing your testimonial, your contact details, and your Google Maps location. Your
Okay.
all these services here.
So, in how
See,
much time the website gets created?
uh, for to develop all those things that I have shared, it will take approx 10 days.
Okay, for the development process also, na?
Yeah, for the
What will come
development
in the
process.
development process, Rohit?
Uh, in the development process, we will be developing. Okay, let me share you the my office
With
page.
Claude AI, I can develop fast.
Yeah, Claude is the best out of here. We use combination of both. Google's
Okay.
anti-gravity and Claude. Claude is a really good for the development, and
Huh.
Google's anti-gravity is a good for the design part. If you design the
Okay.
website, UI the website for the UI part, designing the website, we will use mostly anti-gravity. It's a really good because of the
Hmm.
Nano Banana or Veo3. It's already really good at understanding the visuals of the website, and we from the back end we use Claude to develop all the back structure. Just like a packaging, we use
Hmm.
Google's anti-gravity to package our product, and to develop
Hmm.
our project we use Claude.
Hmm.
Claude,
Okay.
Claude code, if you know,
Hmm.
and this is something looks how it will look like your appointment booking page. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
They they can just choose. They also get an option if wanted to upload their uh, first
Okay.
their images, right? This is the draft page. I just uploaded a few demo
Have
images,
you
right?
created one full website, Rohit?
Yeah, I just my have you seen my website?
Have you created any website? Please put the link in the chat bot. I want to see it.
Let me share it.
Chat box, yeah.
Yeah, this one is the just expense tracking website. Okay, here you can track all your expenses.
मुझे ये आप भेजना. Show me a complete website that is created by you using AI.
Yeah,
ठीक है ना?
this is created by me. I
कौन सा?
created this one. Yeah.
I am not able to see, Rohit. This is a skin website. You have not
Which one?
probably have not shared. Yeah, this is a
Sorry, which
clinic
one you are?
website.
So I haven't developed any creative website right now. I will show you the. If
So
you want,
go
I
through the proposal again, Rohit, once. एक बार आप
okay.
proposal पे जाओ. Can you share the proposal with me on WhatsApp?
Okay, let me see.
एक जो
Which
show
one? We
me a
have.
chatbot that you created. एक आप नंबर दो जो आपने क्रिएट किया हुआ है. Chatbot. Show me the chatbot that you've created. वो दिखाओ आप मेरे को.
Just a second.
Yes, Rohit. Yeah. एक तो आप चैटबॉट जो आपने क्रिएट किया है, ठीक है ना? एक बार आपने भेजा, जस्ट शेयर द लिंक ऑफ द दिस प्रेजेंटेशन. तो मेरे को जो चीज देखना है, ठीक है ना, आपने चैटबॉट कौन सा क्रिएट किया, जस्ट काइंड ऑफ मैसेज द चैटबॉट. आई वांट टू सी द रिस्पांस ऑफ द चैटबॉट कि आई शुड नो हाउ इट काइंड ऑफ इट इज गिविंग रिस्पांस. Got it? So it's not, Rohit, I have many businesses, not only skin clinic. I have a Yama dealership also. Then I have a Stallion multi-brand car workshop also. I'm in auto also,
Okay.
right? So
Yeah.
if this thing works well, then I'm going to implement it in other businesses also, right? But
Right.
it needs to be a robust plan. ठीक है ना? मतलब फेलियर प्रूफ होना चाहिए. ठीक है ना?
See, yeah.
हाँ.
If you, I frankly speaking, its AI is not 100% perfect. You will still showing few errors, few misreads, few wrong responses.
वही तो है. that you need to check ना. That is what, wherever, see, AI is not perfect, but people are working with AI. People are also working with Claude AI. Where there is kind of some issues, you have to fill the gap.
Right.
You have to fill the gap. अगर आप चैटबॉट बना रहे हो तो यू हैव टू परफेक्ट. जो भी करना है रोहित, परफेक्ट करना है. ठीक है ना?
Right. Right.
Your training, main thing is chatbot को how you're training, because it takes lot of, उसको इमोशन भी सिखाना है. अगर आप अपने चैटबॉट को अच्छा करना चाहते हो, उसको इमोशन भी सिखाना है. कैसे वो अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे मैंने बोला, हाउ विल द चैटबॉट कैन टेक नेगेटिवली ऑल्सो, पॉजिटिवली ऑल्सो, इमोशन भी सिखाना है. तो वो कैसे होगा? Got it?
Then, I have shared the chatbot phone number in my
What
chat.
is chatbot for?
This is the chatbot I will for the qualifying leads for my agency.
For your agency.
Yes.
Just hold on. So I should type this whole number. Yes, one.
Okay, you can copy.
This is a virtual number, na?
No, this is the real number.
How?
It's not a virtual number.
Plus. So
It's
what should I
a,
type? One
you
three
can just
one.
send hi.
Pardon?
You can just send a hi.
I have
It
to
will
first
respond.
save this number, na?
Yeah. First save this number
One
and
three
send
eight
it.
zero. Just hold on. This is a
Plus,
virtual number, Rohit.
it's a US number.
Yeah. Because I have also built a chatbot for my company.
Mhm.
Just hold on.
Yeah, you get a test number from the WhatsApp, right? This is totally different. This is a TUO number.
Ah,
If you know that a TUO is a world recognized
I'm just
service
testing it.
provider, they
Just
provide phone numbers.
test chatbot. I am not getting your number. Yes, I'll just give a ring. Can I call on this number or test chatbot? No.
No, right now you can't call. If you have an
No, I am
international
not
calling,
actually.
then
Actually, I am not able to find this number because I've saved this number on WhatsApp. I'm not able to test. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so I'm sharing hi. Hello, thanks for reaching out. Excel Pro, how can I assist you? Could you please share a bit of information about your business? What specific goal? So, my business. Didi? Hmm. So now I'm getting clarifying questions. Okay. But too many questions, Rohit.
yeah, I
Clarifying
often
questions,
see.
okay.
I used to get lots of junk hits. That's why I'm increasing the number of questions. You can
Too many
optimize.
questions I'm telling you. See, the fact is that now, जैसे
You can just
I own,
from
yeah, I own Square Root Clinic. Help me understand how I can use AI in business, right? So the answer, you have to train the chatbot to answer in short. People will feel irritated, right? इतना ज्ञान दोगे तो कोई भी irritate feel करेगा,
right.
ठीक
You are
है?
totally right. I
हाँ,
build it on purpose, right?
हाँ.
Because
नहीं नहीं.
I
Even if
used
you
to.
on purpose, na nobody. I'm telling you, Rohit. आजकल टाइम लोगों के पास बहुत कम है, ठीक है ना। जो भी है, इफ दिस वाज इन बुलेट पॉइंट्स, राइट, the whole thing was which specific area is your concern, this bullet points, okay, then the person would be press this thing, press 1, press 2, because आपको कस्टमर के लिए इजी करना है, अपने लिए इजी नहीं करना है, because आपने बनाया तो है, but this chatbot needs to be optimized well. Got
Yes,
it? कि वो
got it.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा छोटा आंसर दे एंड देन वो चैट को बिल्ड करे, राइट। दिस इज जस्ट इतना तो मैं भी कर लूंगी, पर आपका क्या है, इफ यू आर टेक्निकल पर्सन, आई एक्सपेक्ट मोर ऑफ ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, ठीक है। अब ये हो गया।
Okay.
अब आप स्पीच वाला कोई दिखाओ जहां पे आपका एआई बात कर रहा है। इसको कैसे आप रूल बेस्ड कर रहे हो कि जनरेटिव एआई से कर रहे हो, हाउ
It's
यू
a
ट्रेन?
totally generative AI. There is nothing. There is no rule.
देन यू हैव टू ना उसको करना पड़ेगा, यू हैव टू टेल दैट, यू हैव टू टीच द एआई टू आंसर
No,
शॉर्ट।
it has a script. It has a script which it follows, not a strict rule like just if and then, if and then. It's not like that. It's a follow a script. Like if we giving a salesperson a script, how what is the flow of the conversation should like.
Got it. But the content that you've given is like huge. You have to give the AI content in bullet points, okay? Because at the end of the day, it's more of कि आपका आपका गोल क्या है। आपका गोल होगा कि कस्टमर का क्या प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम जाने और हम सोल्यूशन दें, ठीक है। कस्टमर, अब मैं यहीं पे, मैं आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट आपने इतना ज्ञान दिया, मैं यहीं पे छोड़ के नहीं यार, कौन पढ़ेगा, ठीक है ना।
Yeah,
कस्टमर
right.
वहां
You
से
are
चला जाएगा, ठीक है ना। अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर इफ आई टॉक अबाउट बोटॉक्स, ओके, इफ सम पर्सन इज आस्किंग अबाउट बोटॉक्स, ओके, अगर मैं उस कंटेंट को शॉर्ट में नहीं बताऊंगी, नोबडी विल रीड इट, नोबडी विल रीड इट। अगर इतना है तो वो वेबसाइट पे जाके नहीं पढ़ेगा,
right.
समझ रहे हो आप? हाँ।
Yes.
अब मेरे को आप दिखाओ कि आपने क्या वो एजेंट बिल्ड किया फॉर कस्टमर सर्विस। अच्छा, 11 labs का क्या सब्सक्रिप्शन है रोहित? Have you? I was also you. I was planning to. What is the subscription?
It's a starting from the $9 to $11, and you
Okay.
can upgrade on that $30
So
in
have you
the
taken
custom.
the subscription of 11 labs?
Yes, I have the
So
subscription.
11 labs as of now is the best.
Right now, yes,
हाँ.
11 labs is the best, and there is a second alternative which is also really good if you want a multiple regional languages for India. So,
हम्म,
Swarn AI,
हम्म।
which is really good for the
अगर
regional
अगर आप
languages.
रोहित, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी, अगर आप मेरे लिए अच्छा बनाते हो, देन आई कैन यूज इट फॉर माई अदर बिजनेसेस ऑल्सो, ठीक है। अगर आई फील कि ये चैटबॉट, अगर फ्रैंकली टेलिंग ये चैटबॉट मेरे लिए अगर आसान है इंटरेक्ट करना, ठीक है ना। अब आपको देना था फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इधर रूल बेस्ड बनाओ, रूल बेस्ड बनाओ। अगर जनरेटिव एआई है कि अच्छा, जैसे अगर मैंने पूछा कि हाउ एआई कैन हेल्प, ये पूछेंगे लोग, ठीक है, जनरिक क्वेश्चन है, एआई कैसे हमारे बिजनेस को हेल्प कर सकता है। तो अगर मैं ये पॉइंट, की पॉइंट्स, 4-5 की पॉइंट, दीज आर द एरियाज दैट एआई कैन हेल्प यू, ठीक है। ये है फॉर एग्जांपल सेल्स ऑटोमेशन, देन यू हैव लीड नर्चरिंग, ये फलाना डमकाना, ये बोल दिया, ठीक है। उसके बाद विच इज योर कंसर्न, ठीक है ना, तो अपना लिखेगा, वो एक लाइन लिखेगा, ठीक है। फिर जितना देखो, आप जितना से जल्दी अगर आपको लग रहा है कि बड़ा हो रहा है, तुरंत ह्यूमन एजेंट से उसको कनेक्ट कराओ, राइट। सो ये है, मतलब मैं सोचती हूँ, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिकॉज आपके मेरे केस में तो मेरे पास इतने सारे ट्रीटमेंट्स हैं, हाइड्रा स्किन रिजुनेशन है, बोटॉक्स है, बिकॉज नॉलेज बेस बहुत ज्यादा है। तो अब पता नहीं कि पेशेंट क्या पूछेगा, समझ रहे हो। तो उस हिसाब से कंटेंट, जो भी जेनरिक कंटेंट होते हैं, जेनरिक मतलब बहुत डीप नहीं, जेनरिक कंटेंट की क्या पूछेगा, उसके हिसाब से हमें इसको ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा,
Yeah.
ठीक है।
Those all of the agents have also a knowledge base. मतलब, like if you ask some questions, AI just look like it has a book for the. I uploaded all the data or details, all the treatment plans I have for your clinic. You also connect the agents. Whenever someone asks the about the treatment, it go and look the knowledge base and from retrieve the relative information and send back to the your
Hmm.
patient.
You can also create AI agents for every treatment, right? And
Yes.
you can kind of create an expert for that. और हमारा इतना है, आई एम टेलिंग यू जेनरिक, मतलब नॉलेज बेस ये करने में बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा, बिकॉज वी हैव ऑल द ट्रीटमेंट्स, मतलब स्किन हेयर हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा कर सकते हैं, स्किन हेयर लेजर एंड हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट। आपके क्या, विच आर योर कंसर्न, ठीक है ना, आपके क्या कंसर्न है, तो वो लिखेगा हेयर। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हाट इज हेयर प्रॉब्लम में भी क्या होता है, बस हेयर लॉस होता है, हेयर थिनिंग होता है, बाल्डनेस होता है, 4-5 प्रॉब्लम। ओके, आई विल कनेक्ट विद यू विद अ सेल्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, ठीक है, तुरंत में ये।
Right.
तो जितना मतलब कि आई थिंक लोगों को क्या बोलते, ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस नहीं, अभी भी एआई ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस देंगे तो बहुत दिक्कत होगी, ठीक है, बिकॉज एआई विल
It
ऑल्सो
should be a short and direct to
शॉर्ट,
the point.
करेक्ट करेक्ट, और उसको भी पॉइंट, भैया ये 4-5 पॉइंट है, आप इसी में से लिखो, ठीक है ना। फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेयर के क्या कंसर्न हो, हेयर थिनिंग, हेयर लॉस, बाल्डनेस, एलोपेशिया, 4-5 चीजें हैं, ठीक है ना, तो वो अपने से लिखेगा, अगर नहीं भी हो तो उससे रिलेटेड उसी में से चुन के लिखेगा। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर लेटिंग मी नो योर प्रॉब्लम, आर सेल्स रेप और समथिंग, आर काउंसलर्स विल कनेक्ट टू यू शॉर्टली। उसके बाद ये है कि तुरंत उसको या कॉल जाना चाहिए या कहीं से ट्रिगर जाना चाहिए कि ये आपका चैट आया हुआ है, आप इसको कनेक्ट करिए, ठीक है ना। बिकॉज अभी भी आई एम टेलिंग यू रोहित, चैटबॉट्स आर नॉट दैट इंटेलिजेंट अभी, इतना मॉडर्न, एंड because training the chatbot also will take huge amounts of money, frankly telling you that
Fine tuning is a expensive
it is
operation.
an expensive, ठीक है, तो हमें चाहिए मिनिमम कि मोटा मोटी हमारे जो 4-5 ट्रीटमेंट है उसके फिर तुरंत में ही 2-4 क्वेश्चन के बाद तुरंत ह्यूमन एजेंट को कनेक्ट कर दे, राइट।
Yeah, it
अब
will.
आपके,
My
हाँ,
whole process work around that it's not finally the agent will book appointment. It will first qualify the leads. Okay, is this a genuine lead or is it just a fake lead? Once it's confirmed through voice
हाउ
agent
यू
or
विल
WhatsApp
क्वालिफाई, आप
agent.
क्वालिफाई कैसे कराओगे लीड को?
For the you have to provide all the criteria. What is the qualifying lead?
नहीं, यू
To
लेट मी नो ना,
qualify,
आपने कुछ बनाया होगा ना, हाउ विल यू क्वालिफाई ए लीड?
see, you have to provide me a few questions that for the count as a qualifying lead, here are the criteria. It should be a hair concern or skin concern, hair
हाँ,
related. Those are the things it will be. Other than if and other than that, if answers or response other thing, then it will be don't count as a qualifying lead.
हम्म, हम्म, हम्म,
Right? You have, for example, for the skin care. For the
हम्म,
skin, you have 5 to 6 treatment, and he sponsors the 7 treatment. Then it will not connect to the AI agent. Sorry, human agent.
हम्म।
Right?
एंड
This is
आपने कोई अभी बनाया हुआ है जिससे बात कर सके एजेंट?
yes. I have a
हाँ,
voice agent.
हाँ, ये आपने 11 लाख से बनाया हुआ है?
We use WAPI or LightKit as a architecture. On the
ओके,
top of that, we set up the brain for the
ओके,
OpenAI. For the speech, use 11F, or for
ओके,
the translation the process, you use DeepGraph.
ओके, ओके,
Let me share the voice agent
लेट मी
link.
कॉल वन। व्हाट इज दिस एजेंट फॉर?
Sorry,
नो, प्रोवाइड मी द नंबर, विथ आई शुड कॉल द नंबर।
it's an international call. I think you won't be
तो
able to call,
हाँ, तो
right?
देन यू हैव टू शो मी ना।
Yeah, I send the link. You can interact with the web interface.
जस्ट होल्ड,
Open the
ओके,
link and click talk to AI. It will start speaking.
can you show me, you just talk to the AI, let me know, you just show me.
Okay, let me give you the demo. This is the voice agent I was building for the
Hmm.
real estate owner from the Dubai. He has a real estate company. They want to make a
Many,
house
I
loan
think
for.
many people connected, people are working for Dubai only. One of the people who was also a what you call freelancer connected with me. Yeah. Show me how you talk. Just show me that.
Let me share my screen. Yeah. Okay, I will just.
Hmm. Hello. You're not
Hello,
audible,
who
Rohit.
are you? Hello, who are you?
Hello, we help real estate teams generate and automatically qualify seller and buyer leads using advanced automated systems. Is this a good time to talk for a moment?
Yes.
Great, thank you for your time. In your business, what is stopping you from making more money right now?
The main reason I think is the follow up. I'm not doing enough follow ups to my clients.
Thank you for sharing that. Just to clarify, would you say that lead generation itself is a challenge for you, or is it mainly the follow-up and qualification process after you get the
I
lead?
think follow up is the main issue. I have lots of leads, but I'm not properly following up all the leads. So,
I understand. So it sounds like you have plenty of leads coming in, but the challenge is consistently following up and making sure you're only spending time on the motivated buyers and sellers, right? Nexel Flow builds high-quality systems for your business that can validate each lead, saving you time and delivering only motivated buyers and sellers. So you
ठीक
don't
है
have to
रोहित.
chase.
रोहित. हाँ.
yes.
ये हो गया. ये हिंदी में कैसे होगा?
I don't have, sorry for right now, I don't have the Hindi demo. If you want, I can share a demo tomorrow. If you want, you can
Yeah,
talk
yeah,
with
yeah.
me.
So you can create a demo. See, again, what will be the knowledge base? I want to ask. अगर because patients, because at the end of the day मेरा यही डर है कि patient कुछ बोले ये wrong नहीं है AI बोल दे. The only thing is that, ठीक है? Again, I'm not into the product industry. ठीक है ना? So मेरा यही concern है because it will be legal issue, Rohit.
Right.
Legal issue हो
Okay.
सकता है.
Okay.
So how will
AI
you train this?
AI itself has a guardrail. Okay. Whenever the AI brain, for this we are using a open AI, and it has a pre-built guardrail. Whenever it
AI
generates a
hallucinates also, na Rohit.
yeah.
AI,
So
it gives you
this
wrong
is the
information
reason
also.
This is the reason we provide a guardrail. It will also, whenever it generate a response, a third party from the other provider, for example, we can use a Claude or Gemini to evaluate the response. That is this right response would be, or AI start hallucinating. Once it start hallucinating, it will automatically transfer call to human assistant.
Okay. So how you're controlling this, the hallucination of the AI with some tool or something like that?
Yeah, it's a for just it's like there you are sales representative connected
Hmm.
to a potential patient, right? You are
Hmm.
talking and the third motor listening to your conversation. Okay, right? Everything is going good, good, good.
Hmm.
And whenever it detects that okay, it start hallucinating, it will cut the call and transfer to the human agent.
Hmm. Okay. रोहित, I have not seen anything concrete. मेरा confidence level थोड़ा सा नहीं आ रहा है because
Uh,
आपने अभी कोई कंपनी के साथ काम नहीं किया है, ठीक है ना? And I can't see the full product, right?
right.
So I don't know how to go about it. Reason being कि आपका chatbot is also not very trained, ठीक है ना? So I would like to work on these things, Rohit, before you approach any company, ठीक है ना? अब आप बोल रहे हो Facebook ads. Frankly tell you that. Which are the tools that you use? Okay, और आपके पास editing होना चाहिए. AI नहीं edit कर
Sorry,
पाएगा.
I am not using the Facebook ads. I will be only focusing on the Google ads.
Google ads again आपने चलाया है कभी, रोहित?
Yes, I run for myself both Facebook ads and Google ads.
So what is the आप बताओ कि what is the cost per lead? Okay, because
I
for
use
you,
in the college. I ran a jewelry. Sorry, just for the experimenting.
हाँ,
We run a jewelry business. Okay, we are collecting the jewelries from the offline store in the Kolkata. It's a great jewelry. It's a really popular jewelry, and we go visit the wholesalers and collect all the jewelries. We do the photo shoots. That time AI is not that a big thing, just in the very early stage. So we start
Rohit,
doing
how
ads
many
for
members are in your team?
right now me and me co-founder and that marketing agent.
So you have how many members?
Three.
Three. So Rohit, you need to focus on your product. अभी भी I'm telling you product समझ में नहीं आया है, ठीक है ना? आपको किसी भी क्लाइंट के पास अगर आपके पास है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर रनिंग गूगल एड्स, ठीक है ना, गूगल एड्स में आपने लैंडिंग पेज कैसा बनाया है, ठीक है, आपके पास 2-3 लैंडिंग पेज रहने चाहिए, ठीक है। प्रॉब्ली अगर आप अपने बिजनेस का रखो, ठीक है, लैंडिंग पेज क्या पर
I,
क्वालिटी लीड आया, आपने ऐड जो चलाया है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है ना, इससे बना के, ठीक है। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट टेक्निकल स्पेसिफिकेशन पेजेस के बहुत रहते हैं, ठीक है ना, फॉर गूगल एड्स देयर इज अ स्कोर ऑल्सो, लैंडिंग पेज स्कोर, गॉट इट, ये सब रहता है। तो वो चीज बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। कमिंग बैक टू द फैक्ट कि व्हाट इज योर पर लीड कॉस्ट, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आपने कितने दिन चला है, व्हाट आर योर कीवर्ड्स, कीवर्ड्स क्या है आपका, किस पे आपने टारगेट किया है, वो बहुत, आपके एड कॉपीज क्या है, दी शुड ऑल बी रेडी रोहित। कमिंग बैक टू, आप ऑटोमेशन की बात करें, ऑटोमेशन में मुझे कुछ कॉन्क्रीट नहीं दिखा है, नीदर आपका ये चैटबॉट ऑप्टिमाइज है, ठीक है, नीदर आपका वो वॉइस एजेंट, अगर आप इंडिया में टारगेट कर रहे हो तो आपको प्रॉब्ली हिंदी इंग्लिश का यूज करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना। सो वो नहीं है, आपने किसी बिजनेस, तो कोई कॉन्क्रीट नहीं है, सो दैट इज नॉट गिविंग मी कॉन्फिडेंस। अगर आपका पूरा कि मैंने फेसबुक गूगल एड्स ये टूल से रन किया है, ये मेरे लीड्स आए हैं, इनका कन्वर्जन इतना है, इतने का हमने बिजनेस किया है, गॉट इट। सो दैट इज रोहित, दैट इज नॉट गिविंग मी कॉन्फिडेंस, एवरीथिंग इज हाफ। अब आपको आना चाहिए था, अगर मेरे से मीटिंग थी, योर 2-3 लैंडिंग पेजेस शुड बी रेडी, ठीक है ना। अगर गूगल एड चला रहे हो आपने तो कौन से 2-3 कंपनीज का चलाया हुआ है एंड क्या लीड कॉस्ट है, ठीक है। दूसरी बात, अगर आपके कोई लीड आए हैं, आई एम सीइंग नथिंग अबाउट लीड ऑटोमेशन, ड्रिप कैंपेन्स होते हैं, ठीक है ना। एक आपका अगर ऑटोमेशन आप कर रहे हो तो एक टूल होना चाहिए, डैशबोर्ड होना चाहिए कि कहाँ से आप ऑटोमेशन करोगे। इट्स नॉट जस्ट यूजिंग टूल्स, यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर ओन डैशबोर्ड। बिकॉज अगर आप कोई भी कंपनी को लीड ऐसे तो नहीं दोगे, अगर आप चला रहे हो लीड तो लीड उनके सीआरएम में आना चाहिए। सीआरएम में कैसे ऑटोमेशन होता है, वो या तो लीड को मैसेज जाए, व्हाट्सएप जाए या मेल पे जाए, ठीक है, या उसको 5 दिन बाद वीडियो जाए, दैट इज द होल ऑटोमेशन, गॉट इट। और अभी भी आई थिंक दीज ट्रेनिंग मॉडल्स, आपका ट्रेनिंग मॉडल्स बिल्कुल परफेक्ट नहीं है, ठीक है। दिस नीड्स टू बी योर ट्रेनिंग मॉडल, प्रॉब्ली इट्स अ वॉइस एजेंट और अ चैट बॉट, कोई ऑप्टिमाइज नहीं है, दिस इज बेसिक, एनीबॉडी कैन मेक इट रोहित। सो जब भी अगर आप आओ, यू हैव टू वर्क अ लॉट रोहित ऑन ऑप्टिमाइजिंग, बिकॉज आई सी लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हाफ डन, ठीक है, मुझे कॉन्क्रीट कुछ नहीं दिखा है, समझ रहे हो आप। यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर प्रोडक्ट, लैंडिंग पेजेस आपके रेडी होने चाहिए, आपके लीड क्या है, लीड का कॉस्ट क्या है, वो आपका, आपने कैसे, आप जो भी कंपनीज का आप लीड ला रहे हो कैसे कन्वर्जन हुआ है, कितने का बिजनेस आया है, कहाँ कहाँ आपने ऑटोमेशन किया है, समझ रहे हो। सो रोहित, दैट इज नॉट गिविंग मी कॉन्फिडेंस, सो आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू काइंड ऑफ वर्क विद यू, गॉट इट। एम आई
Yes,
ऑडिबल रोहित? हाँ,
I appreciate your concern. I will
हाँ,
definitely work on those things.
हाँ, यू हैव टू वर्क, आपको पूरा प्रोडक्ट को इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा टू कन्विंस द क्लाइंट ना, it has to be strong. It is, I think, 10% done. You have to work 90% more, Rohit, and keep on kind of optimizing your product to the best of abilities. Bina, because be it agent, be it ads, you have to be the perfect. Perfection is important. Because at the end of the client, भैया पैसा लगाएगा तो उसको रिजल्ट सामने दिखना चाहिए, तभी आपका प्लान खरीदेगा. समझ रहे हो रोहित?
Yeah, right.
ठीक है ना? Okay, Rohit, thank you
Thanks
for your
for
time.
your
Build your
feedback.
product. Yeah, yeah. So build your product, okay, and then get back, right?
Okay. Once I
Okay.
have all the proof, I will definitely come back to you again.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Take these inputs and work on it, right? Okay. Thank you, Rohit.
Okay. Thank you for this feedback again. गलत हुआ है। ये वाला